In the mountains of China lives a very unusual bear. This animal is so endangered and so hard to find, no one knows how many there are. For years, China and the US have tried to save the giant panda. But it's not been easy. They are such a mystery. Their behavior is so puzzling. They've baffled scientists for years. In 1996, when a pair comes to the San Diego Zoo, hopes are raised. And when a little cub is born, she makes history. Her story has it all: international intrigue, scientific breakthroughs, and a little bit of magic.
This is PBS.